Hello. In this guide, I'll show you how to configure Amazon S3 for your store. First, activate the setting in your DigiCommerce setting page. Then, go on your Amazon Web Services account. If you don't have one, just sign up before. Then search for IAM. Click on Users to create a new user. Add the name you want and click Next. Click Attach Policies directly and search for Amazon S3 Full Access. Click the user again, click Security Credentials, and click Create Access Key. Now, check third-party service and confirm. Add the description you want to create your keys. Now, just copy and paste your access key and secret access key to your DigiCommerce settings page. Then, search for S3. Create a bucket. This is where your files will be stored. Add the name you want for your bucket and create it. Now, copy your bucket name and paste it to your settings. Click the Test Connection button to see if everything is good and save your settings. To finish, just try to upload a file to your product and check if it is present on your bucket. And all good, the files are now in my bucket. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach us via your DigiCommerce account if you have any troubles.